Hello students, welcome to class today, and we are on Unit 14, Lesson number 1, Word Power. And in Unit 14, we're going to learn about comparative adjectives and superlative adjectives. Can you say that with me? Comparative adjectives. Remember the S, adjectives, because more than one, and superlative adjectives. All right, you will see this word in our lesson, comparative, superlative. All right, and these kind of adjectives will compare good, better, best. The smallest, the biggest. The oldest, the newest. And so these are the words we're going to be learning, and a lot of interesting information, I think, general knowledge information. Chapter 14, Unit 14, the biggest and the best. Geography. All right, say this after me. Geography. Men geography. Geography. PH, remember, makes the F sound, like telephone. So geography. Men geography, geography, all right? The stress is on the second syllable, geography. And so circle the word that doesn't belong in the list. Well, let's not do that right now. Let's practice saying the words first, all right? And so say these after me. Practice pronouncing the vocabulary words. Okay, so say them after me. Canyon. Canyon. Cliff. Cliff. Swamp. Swamp. The SW makes the swa, swa, swa. And the MP makes the swamp. And the A is a short A. Swamp. Swamp. You must make the P sound on the end, but not a strong P sound. It's not swampa, but your lips must come together and make the P sound. Swamp. Valley. Valley. Lake. You must pronounce the K sound. Lake. And the A is a long A. Why? Because of the E. The final E is silent but strong, and the final E makes the vowel in front of it the long sound. And so it's lake. A, lake. You must pronounce the K, lake. Plateau. Plateau. It sounds like T-O-E, plateau. Usually words that have E-A-U are French words. They come from the French language, but we've taken them into the English language, and sometimes we pronounce them the same as the French language, and sometimes we change them to say it the American way. Plateau. River. Man, river. Man, river. Man, river. I, remember? The I makes the short sound, I. How do we know this is the short I sound? Because the I is the vowel, and in front of the vowel is a consonant, behind the vowel is a consonant, and so therefore the I makes the short sound, I. And ER, we know, makes the sound. River, river. Sea, sea. Remember the rule? Two vowels together, the second vowel is silent, and the first vowel makes the long sound. C. So S-E-A makes the long E sound. C. Hill. Man hill When we end the E sound, remember the I makes the short sound I. Why does the I make the short sound? Because there's a consonant in front of it and there's a consonant after it. So it makes the short sound. I. Hill. And you must make the L sound. Hill. Mountain. Mountain. Okay, remember the OU makes the OW sound. Okay, this is a rule. About 85% of the time, the OU makes the OW sound. So mound, ow, mountain. Really? AI makes the A sound. So we should say it mountain. But the way that we say it is mountain, is the natural way the American says this word, mountain. But you must make a clear T and the clear N, mountain. Volcano. Volcano. The O is the short sound. Long sound of O is O. Short sound is ah. Okay, so ah. Why is it a short sound? Because there's a consonant in front of the vowel and a consonant behind the vowel. So therefore, the vowel makes the short sound. Ah. Volcano. Volcano. Ocean. Ocean. The C makes the SH sound here. Ocean. Okay, CEA makes the SHU sound. Shun. So it sounds like OSHUN. Ocean is how we say it. We do not say ocean, and we not say ocean. Okay, ocean. Desert. Desert. The stress is on the first syllable. Desert. Desert is a very dry place on the earth. Don't be confused with desert. Desert is bang'aim. And so desert, the stress is on the second syllable. This word, desert, the stress is on the first syllable. Desert. All right? And forest. Forest. We know F, fa, and we know the OR sound is an R controlled sound. Or. Okay. Forest. The ST is a blend, is an end of word blend. Forest. Est. Forest. Plains. Okay, so remember, most of the time, AI together makes the long A sound. A. And there's more than one plain, but we usually use this word in the plural form. We add the S, plains. So to make the S sound, your mouth must make an extra action. Plains. And the PL is a beginning of the word blend. Pla. Plains. And the last one, waterfall. The stress is on the first syllable. Waterfall. Waterfall. All right, let's say these one more time. I've tried to explain to you why certain letters make the sound, because there are some rules. And if you know the rules, it's easier for you to speak, all right? And so, watch my mouth and say this after me, all right? Canyon. Cliff. Swamp. Valley. Lake. Plateau. River. Sea. Hill. Mountain. Volcano. Ocean. desert, forest, plains, waterfall. All right, these are good words for you to know, geography words, good words for you to know how to pronounce properly. Okay? And so, for your homework, is I want you to say these words again. All right, say the words again. Record your voice. Practice a few times. Remember, practice at least 2 or 3 times. Make sure that you're saying them correctly. If you're not sure, listen to the video again. Try to learn the rules on why does the vowel make the long sound or short sound. Why do these 2 letters together make a certain sound? What is the rule? All right, and so say them again until you're confident, until you can say them clearly. Then record your voice, send them to me. Remind me that you're on Book 1 and on Unit 14, Lesson 1. Always remind me and tell me where your homework is coming from, what lesson your homework is coming from. All right? So, I'm waiting for your homework, and I know that you are beginning to speak better American English.